All right. Let's see if this works. Dashboard. Let's actually move this over here. Cool. Seems like it's working. All right. Cool. So if I go to what is that website? Yeah. Cool. All right. So what I'm gonna try to do is create a game from scratch and see if it actually works. I think that's gonna be an excellent way to tell immediately what the heck is wrong. I'm getting yelled at right now. All right. See if this works. All right, it seems to work. All right. Cool. See, that's kind of annoying. I wonder if you should click away and it should deselect. See, that's the first thing is my instinct is to click somewhere else like that. But what it does is select. How often are you going to be doing this? I mean, really. So I'm thinking that maybe I should change that. Wonder if that should be the first thing. Maybe we should do that first. I think that's a good change to have. So where does that happen? That happens in the map editor. I have got to remember. Hey. Yeah, I've been real lazy about it, so I figured I'd like, okay, let's actually do some work. So what I wanted to do is actually like sit here and make a game from scratch and see what annoys me and doesn't work. But the first thing that annoys me is my instinct to deselect is to click away, but what that does is actually just select the next one. Which now that I use it more, I mean you can click inside it to deselect, but I also want to like click away to deselect. So, and the original idea is that somebody would be like, oh, I want to know this one, I want to know this one, I want to know this one, but I don't know if that's a realistic use case. So, well, can you see and hear me okay? I've only used this setup a couple of times, so I don't know if it works or not. Let's see. See, I've got to remember where all this stuff is now. No tile info in this whole thing. Is it really just in here? It's in map editor? Oh yeah, map editor tiles, duh. That's that tab. Alright, I gotta find this stuff now. Oh my gosh. See, this is a mess. Nine matches. Uh-oh, that's not good. If the stream is buffering, I can try to lower the quality. Yeah, it says it's dropping a lot of frames. Maybe I can stream at a lower resolution. That's not good. Alright, I think I can change this real time. Let's see. Streaming, let's lower the bit rate. Ooh, let's lower the audio bitrate. You don't need to be hearing me at 160. Let's try 90. I mean, let's try 128. I'm going to lower the video bitrate to 1800. We'll see what that does. Okay, tell me if that does better, I guess, over the next minute or so. Alright, well, that sucks. Let me look at my... Yeah, I'm not dropping any more frame. Ooh. That's not good. Oh, I'm getting a message. Am I in trouble? Oh, that's you. I thought it was going to be my wife telling me I'm being too loud or something. Let me close this. Let me close a few bandwidth using things. I don't need that. What else? I think that's it. So I lowered the bitrate a considerable amount. Hopefully it's going to stop dropping frames. I wonder if I can lower the resolution of the camera too. Ah! Yeah, my camera's gonna disappear. I mean, screw it. Let's do it at 480. See what that does. Also, let's try... Boop. Alright, so stuff's gonna disappear for a minute. Boom. Alright. And then we'll put the... This is not how you stream well. Alright. So if I bring this over... Oh, you can't see that then. That's not what you want. Alright. Can't just do window capture. This is not how you stream well. Don't tell anybody. I want to do a display capture, but I only want to do part of it. See, I don't want to do the whole display. We don't need all that. I want to do like part of the screen. How do you do that? I may not have the option. Yeah, I mean, I guess I can do this. But that's kind of hacky. Yeah, that's not great. Alright, well, let's see. Well, alright, hopefully it'll stop dropping frames. Doesn't look like it is, though. Let's see. I gotta figure this stuff out. As you can see, I am an expert at streaming. Alright, I'm lowering it even more. See if that works. Oh wow, 1200 bit rate, yeah. Yeah, this is Sublime. Sorry, I just now saw your chat because I was fiddling with my settings. It's like way lower now. So, yeah, this is Sublime, and I've got a bunch of plugins, yeah, installed. So you can see, like, I have all these dark things that I can run. So now, if I'm in here and I go to the file I want to launch, it's going to be editor.html, and then I press F7. It'll launch Chromium, or Dartium, I guess technically, and there's my game running. So it's pretty nifty. Interesting. So if I do the window capture, can I have it capture multiple windows? Because like I want this window to appear as well when I put it on top. All right. This. Select mouse down. This is what we want. This is what we're looking for. Put that down there. All right. Oh, geez. Do you think if I stop streaming and start streaming again, it'll catch up or be more updated? What if you refresh the page? I don't see a way to lower the frames per second. Does the debugger work with the editor too, like line numbers? Yeah. Yeah, so in Chromium, if I get an error, actually I'll have a bunch of warnings, as you'll see. You can see that well, there's no errors right now. But yeah, you can see it's exporting here. But if I get a stack trace, it'll actually be correct. So that's nice. But yeah, it works pretty well. Let's see, I've got monitor, so I've got display capture. Let's see if I can add a filter. How do you add a filter? Well, let me. I have like no advanced options. It's annoying. Yeah, this is all I got. This is display capture. And I can choose which display. And that's it. See, so I can do window. Multi-adapter compatible.